Hey guys, now I will show you how to populate the devices and users, okay, in assets and compliance. There are some configurations that needs to be done in administration. Okay, here first of all run all the discovery methods by checking the enable active directory discovery. Okay, to populate the groups we have to run these discovery methods. To populate the devices we have to do enable this discovery method. We normally mess up the thing by selecting any other container. Okay, so don't browse or select any other container. Okay, keep it default. Same for user discovery, enable the user discovery. It will populate the users in assets and compliant users. Okay, enable the hardware discovery and network discovery. Select topology and client. Okay, yeah, it is by default. After that the devices will be populated here. Okay, and same for the users. After that we have to create a boundary by default settings. If it is not already created, create it and add it to boundary group. Okay, name it anything as you wish. So I am naming it as test lab boundary group, boundaries group. Okay, now we need to click on add and select the boundary group. If you have more than that, we have to check it accordingly. Okay, I'm assigning it to as we have only one primary site. Even if I don't assign, it will be assigned automatically, but still for safer side I'm assigning. Okay, I am adding the database SCCMs. Okay, so this is very important to add a boundary to the boundary group. Let's check whether boundary group has been assigned. Yes. Okay, so it is not an issue. Now I'll show you how to add site system roles. Okay, in administration, site configuration, sites, you can see sites, listed sites. We have only one primary site, so add site system role. Okay, so here don't modify anything as it is not required. Click on next. Here also we don't need to change anything. Click on next, and here there are roles like software breakpoint, application catalog. As application catalog will be required, so we are adding that. Okay, I'm just showing you, it is not required to configure, but I'm showing you how to install the site system roles. Okay, this is application catalog website point. You know what is application catalog? Application catalog and software center. Okay, don't get confused between these two. Application catalog is application that has been pushed to users or users group is available in application catalog, and the application that is pushed to user devices or device collections is listed in software center. That is the difference. Okay, so this is how the site system rules is installed. Now another important thing is we have to create a custom client device settings. Okay, so here we have to select client policy, compliance setting, computer agent, computer restart, and software deployment remote tools. Okay, name it as a wish, like I'm naming it as my custom client device settings. Okay, so after this click on client policy and change the interval minute to 5. So what will be happening on the clients, the policies, that is computer policy, user policy, will be running on every 5 minutes. In compliance setting, in computer restart, okay, we have to select application catalog website point. Okay, set website properly and default application catalog, yes. Then organization name displayed in software center, test lab organization. Okay, that was in computer agent. Okay, now in computer restart, enable remote control on client computer domain private and public. Okay, so you will be able to access the IDP for the clients. Prompt user for remote control. So who will be able to access the RDP? So we have to set the viewers for that. Okay, software deployment, simple schedule, run every 2 days. Okay, this depends on you, what you have to do the settings. It totally depends on you. Okay, click on OK. So we will be setting user and device affinity. Okay, my custom user settings. Okay, user and affinity, allow user to define the primary devices. Okay, this is the client settings that you need to do. Okay.